Welcome to my channel. Today, we're making this beautiful double-sided earring tutorial. Well, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button for more creative fun. And if you're wondering where I snagged all these bling-tastic materials, the link is in the description box. Use my coupon code to get extra discounts because who doesn't love a good deal? To get started, here are the materials you'll need. 4 mm diamond beads, 4 mm pearl beads, 4 mm crystal beads, 0/11 seed beads, 10 mm pearl beads, a head pin, earrings hook, tools and needles, 0.25 mm nylon wire. To get started, pick up 8 crystal beads and 8 silver seed beads onto your needle. Bring it down and pass through again. Now tie a few knots. Now take the tail, pass it through the next bead. Tie a knot and cut the excess. Now, pass the needle through the next seed bead and crystal bead, bringing the needle out from the crystal bead. Pick up the diamond bead and pass it through the next crystal bead. The diamond will overlap the seed bead. Now, repeat this same process on all the remaining beads. Now, once you have added all the diamonds, pass the needle from the upper side of the diamond. Pick up a pearl bead and pass it through the next diamond bead. Repeat this process around the entire side. Once all the pearls are added, pass the needle through the pearl, then pick up a diamond bead and pass through the next pearl. Repeat this on all sides. Now, once you finish adding all the diamonds, pass the needle on the upper side of the diamonds. Pick up one seed bead and pass it through to the next diamond bead. Repeat this process on all the sides. Once all the seed beads are added, pass through all the seed beads again and pull to squeeze. This will tighten and take the shape. Now, pass the needle through a few more beads. Tie a few knots and cut the excess. Now, take a headpin and insert it into the center of the earring. Add the 10 mm pearl and insert the headpin upwards to secure it in the center. Now, take your pliers, cut the excess headpin, and make a round loop to attach the earring hook. Now, take the earring hook, connect it to the loop. Secure the loop and it's done. Wasn't that incredibly easy to make? And just look at it. The diamonds and pearls give it such a rich and royal feel. Truly gorgeous. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments, and I will surely reply. See you in the next video.